gonna go ahead and use my Araceli Cosmetics palette, and let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I'm going to be using horchata, and I could use a cold horchata right now. It sounds so good. So I'm gonna grab my grande blending brush, and I'm going to use this as my transition color first. Going to apply this right onto my crease. We're actually gonna go ahead and do this all over, just to set anything, the foundation that I have on already. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes. With that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Corazon, and that's gonna go right onto my crease. We're gonna start it in the outer corner and then bringing that in. I kind of want the whole shadow in the outer corner, so that's what we're gonna do first to smoke that out. I'm just gonna go back and apply a little bit more. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye as well. Just going to apply this as, I really want the color to be in the outer corner, and I'm just gonna bring it in whatever I have left. So that's what I'm basically doing. And I just kind of blend it upwards. I'm going to apply a little bit more. Then I'm happy with that. I'm going to go with the Chiquita blending brush. And I'm actually going to apply a little bit of setting spray. And I'm going to apply more on my, well, you know what? We'll go ahead and add tequila better onto our crease. So I'm going to apply a little bit of setting spray onto that brush. And then I'm going to apply tequila on the lid. Just going to pat this in. Do the same thing on the other eye. Pat it in. Going to pat the color in. Like so. I'm going to apply a little bit of it without any setting spray just to set it. Then you can go back again and just kind of blend the edges out. I'm going to apply a little bit more just to kind of darken it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of tequila in the bottom lash line as well. I'm going to put a little bit more setting spray just so that it helps with the fallout or anything like that, and it's just going to help control the product a little bit better. So then going back again with Corazon and applying this right in the outer corner as well. And then I'm just going to clean out my brush and then just kind of blend out the harsh lines like so. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. This one is their Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner. I'm going to apply this on my waterline. So then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. So I'm gonna go with their Leti La Sofisticada lashes, and I'm going to apply those, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of their liquid liner as well, just to kind of hide any like messy things that I leave or didn't do them right. So I'm gonna apply these lashes right here. You want to make sure that you size them, because a lot of the lashes do come a little too long. So you kind of just want to put them without putting any glue, and then you kind of measure how much you have to take away. So I do have to take a little bit of the lash off from the, you can either do from the inner corner or the outer corner. I like to do the outer corner a little bit better. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of the duo glue. Use the back of my brush just to kind of apply the eyelash glue. You want to stick them as close as you can to the lash line. Do the same thing with the other one. Take them off carefully because you don't want to rip them or break them or anything. As close as you can to your lashes, so you don't end up with a big gap. And we're going to go ahead and apply some liner. This is waterproof eyeliner. Well, se llama Ojos Perfectos liquid liner, and it's waterproof, so I really like that. It just stays. So pray for me that I actually get this right, because I can never get eyeliner right. I could do this eye. Let's see how it goes with this eye over here. It goes on really nice and smooth. I really like that about this liquid liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to the eyes. And some lip gloss. And this should be the final look.